high-five each other. Stay back, get behind the cover. Kyle was right there. Watch our back. They're definitely going to come flank us. How deep? Who shot you?
Jimmy did.
Nice. Get on your knees. Here. Put your knees on that. We're taking you hostage, son.
Good snakes.
Snakes ain't gonna get you. Get down. Or we'll walk with you if you want to walk. But we're going through the river. Yep, you're our hostage.
Going through the river?
Yeah, we are.
You want to surrender your firearm?
No, I'm not doing that.
Can you put it on safe? Okay.
Give me your clip.
Hey, give us a clip for we burlap sack you and feed you food. This is what you like. Kyle likes playing the hostage.
I'm not. I swear.
Start moving. Start moving. Hey, come this way. Come this way. Come this way. I'm taking Kyle hostage. Dude, I was telling David over there, I feel like Duke is like super into this. Although he's a city boy, he is all about this. Alright, let's get it. Hey, it's me, you dingus. Just shot me in the kneecap. Should I call a hit? No, we just captured Kyle hostage. We took his mag out and he's on safe. Get up. Where is he? Where is he? Oh, hey, here he is, here he is, here he is. Dude, this guy's super evasive. Come on. He's hit, he's hit. Game over. Yeah! Let's go, baby. We got the Duke.